Hi folks, I haven't been here for a long time, sorry for that. Have many stuff to learn, to do JavaScript, TypeScript, Unity, animations, game development, yeah. And now I have reached the point when I want to share my knowledge with you guys. This playlist is going to be more advanced because I will not explain much about JavaScript itself. We are going to talk about approaches, algorithms, methods, techniques. Yeah, just stick with me. In first few videos I am going to create a template files, I would say a boilerplate files. So as we start working on new animation, we will just copy paste files and start working on logic and animation itself. Also, we will create a library with files we will use, extend existing JavaScript classes. Yeah, just stay tuned. So let's get started. First, I want you to install Live Server extension, and you should use VS Code editor for that. Just go to extension and type it Live Server. Yeah, I have installed this one because it gives one powerful feature out of the box. It is hot reloading, and as we will use Google Chrome, we will be able to use newer features in JavaScript. It is 2020 outside, guys. Let's use classes, the structure and arrow functions, yeah, you name it. And if you are not familiar with that, I would suggest you go somewhere and find some classes or YouTube channels and learn about that and come back. Okay, once you have installed Live Server, let's structure out our root folders. Okay, I will close that. And first what we will need, we will create template folder. Then, as I said, we will create library. We will store useful classes, extensions, and so on in this folder. So we will use them. And also we need to create index.html file, root index.html file. Okay, I will show you in a moment why do we need that. Then in template folder, let's create subfolder called JS, because we will store our JS files there. For, as I said, we will just copy paste those structure in new animation folder, and we will just continue working. Yeah. Then we will need index.html. So I would say this one is like root, like an entry point index.html, and this one is just local index.html for a current animation. Okay, and also we need to create index.js file. Okay, so for now it's okay. Now I'm going to show you what I mean by this file. So let's write like home page, I don't know, and we will have just a few tags. We will have a list with links inside, and for example, and also, yeah, I forgot, we should add animations. This is the folder where we will keep all our animations we are going to work on. So for example, yeah, and one more thing is in template file we should also add HTML inside this local HTML file. Let's add style just basic reset style, margin 0, padding 0, and also overflow hidden. These styles will just remove all unnecessary padding and margins. Okay, let's add canvas with ID canvas. And also we should reference to our script file, which is this index.js file, an entry point for this HTML file. Also, let's add type module, which means that we will use recent module system in JavaScript. Okay, nice. So let's imagine that we are going to create our first animation project. So we will add a folder, then we will go to template files, copy paste those files, and then go to our root index.html file and just reference to our animations and say animation 1. Okay, then we will go and use live server to open that here, and as you see we have this reference here. So we will just, when we will start working on new animation, which we will just add a new reference to that, create a new subfolder, copy paste our template files, navigate through that, and just work on our animation. So in this case we imagine that we just start working on new animation. So to prove that it works, console log as I save, it reloads because it has live reload, hot reloading, and then I will go to navigate here and see, yeah, it works. So I think you get the idea. So for now I am going to delete this folder because we don't need that. In next video we will add more boilerplate code in our template, and after that we will add we will extend basic JavaScript classes with features we will use a lot. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.